YouTube automation is getting quite much attention nowadays. The premise of this buzzword is you do not have to work hard for YouTube's success. Others will do it for you. I won't verdict if it is easy or difficult. I will only say what it is in simple words. Then it is up to judge if it is hard or easy. The term YouTube automation is a bit misleading. It should be YouTube outsourcing. It starts with choosing a topic for a video for which tons of information is available online. For example, it can be a top 10 channel or interesting facts channel. It is easy to find online information for such things. The top 10 food to eat for diet can be a good example of this. You will hire freelancers from Fiverr or such online marketplace who can research such topics and compile a script for you. Of course, you can do it yourself, but that will fail the purpose of automation and may not be that scalable. The next step would be to hire a voiceover artist to do a voiceover on that script. This can also be done using Fiverr at a cheaper price. So the script is ready and the voiceover is ready. All that remains are video clips matching that script. You can get stock footage from many websites like Storyblocks. Once again, you will hire people from Fiverr who will choose video clips from those sites. Once the matching clips are available, you will hire a video editor to produce the final video. Needless to say, sites like Fiverr is again the place to find such video editor. So you outsource every part of video making process to other people, and you mainly manage collaboration. It would require some investment from you at the initial stage. You also have to hang tight till you start making good money from this process. So it is up to you to think how fancy this process is. Do you now understand YouTube automation, or still have some confusion?